welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my very first video, so I'm really excited. I currently have a blog. It's cassiedenisco.com, and I share lifestyle and beauty and recipes and health and all that fun stuff, but I thought it would be really fun to give my subscribers to my blog a little bit more, to see me a little bit more often. So here we are with a YouTube video. I'm going to be sharing with you my hair tutorial for my curls. I get a lot of questions on how I do them, so I'm going to talk you through that, and I'm just going to talk about all my favorite hair products right now. So let's get into the video. Right, so getting right into products that I'm loving right now. I'm first going to grab up my purple shampoo and conditioner. I absolutely love this Not Your Mother's purple shampoo. I find that it is a lot more nourishing and moisturizing than most purple shampoos are. So I love using this one with this Lavender Platinum OGX conditioner. I think it's awesome. It smells so good, and these two together is really what helps it keep my hair so blonde and not brassy. Right now it's a little dirty, so it's looking a little crazy, but these two together are my absolute favorite products. I use purple shampoo about twice a week, but when I am not using purple shampoo, because it's not good to use on your hair all the time, I am using my tried and true Olaplex shampoo and conditioner. These two products are awesome for your hair. I have seen such a difference in my hair growth with using these products. I used to struggle with getting my hair to grow any length past like almost like my collarbone. I just had the shortest hair and it never would grow, and once I started incorporating this with some sort of a hair mask, I noticed that my hair has absolutely seen such amazing difference. I'm also talking about my Ouai hair mask. So I actually just started using this. It's going to be live in a blog post coming up about a Sephora haul, but I found that the Olaplex mask was just too expensive and not giving the results that I was wanting. So I had heard about this Ouai hair care treatment, and I actually find it to be very similar to the Olaplex, but just a little bit more affordable. So far I've only used it twice, so I'm not exactly sure. I like to use a hair mask like once a week. Just throwing that out there, but I'm not really sure if it works really well yet. But as of right now, I really like it, and I think it's a great mask to add into your hair care. So once I get out of the shower, I am always using, I have very, very naughty hair. So I like to use a conditioner, leave-in conditioner, leave-in detangler. So this is it's a 10. This one has the keratin in it. I like the other one too. This is just what was available right now at Target for me. So I am absolutely obsessed with this. It not only tangles my hair, but I feel like it moisturizes it, and it helps to protect it from the heat and from, right now I'm laying out in the sun a lot because it's summertime, so I love this. And then after that, I like to go in with this. This is the 100 Proof Treatment Oil from Drybar. I am obsessed with this. This has really transformed my hair. All these products have, but I feel like this has done the most for me. I take like 3 pumps and I put it on from the nape of my neck down, and it has seriously saved my hair. My hair used to be dry and brittle and gross, and I honestly think that this is the best product ever. It is very pricey. It's taken a while though. I bought this maybe about a year ago, and I mean, I don't use it, I try and use it every time, I'm not gonna lie. I use it like every time I shower because it really helps my hair feel great, but I absolutely love this product. I think it's awesome and totally worth the price. And that's about it. Those are all the products that I use on my hair, from my shampoos to my conditioners to my after hair products. One other thing, I love this Pantene air spray. Right before we get into the tutorial of the hair, I just wanted to talk about it. It's alcohol free, and what I like about this is my hair is very thin, and I like that it's not really heavy on my hair. It really holds the hair, but it's not heavy. It doesn't leave that crunchy feeling that no one likes because it's really gross. So I absolutely love this product. And just talking about my overall hair routine, I try and wash my hair like 3-4 times a week. My hair is so oily. I have to wash it like almost every day. I know it's not good for you, but I have to wash it all the time. And I also just got it trimmed, and I just got it colored, so I'm really making sure that I'm taking good care of it right now, because after you use so much bleach, and well, I don't bleach my hair, but you use so much color and stuff on your hair, it's really important that you try and maintain that color and keep it so let's get into the tutorial for my curls. I like to call these like beach waves. They're almost not even curls. I like my hair to be I like to maintain the length. I don't like curls that are super short. So I like to start with the front pieces of my hair, and I just take it, I actually wrap it around almost as if it was a wand, and I clamp it down, leaving about an inch off. And that is it. Simple and easy. I don't part my hair. I really just like the look of messy curls. So that is where we're at right now. And I just like to go in really messy, really crazy. I don't really part it any specific way. I'm just gonna go in and do it and hold it for like about 10-15 seconds. Sometimes I'll hold it like that if I really want it to stay. Sometimes I'll brush it out before it even gets it down. Yeah. And again, it really takes me not that long to do. I like the look of, like I said before, not tight curls. I do not like that look, but if that's your look, good for you. But when I'm curling my hair, I like it to maintain its length, just because I've always had really short hair, so. But yes, so here we go. Pull that one down, and as you can tell, I'm like not neat about it at all. Just kind of grab pieces of hair. Sorry, my mirror is right there that I'm looking at, so. And then just keep going. So I'm gonna probably fast forward this. And then once I am done with this side, I kind of just brush it with my hand. Like I said, my mirror is here, so I'm just kind of looking. And that is one side of my hair, and I'll go to the other. I don't hairspray till the end because I like when it falls. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I wrap, clamp, hold. Sorry, I'm like wearing like a weird chair, so I'm sitting on a weird chair. I've never done this before, so it's really interesting. And then I let go. And then I just like that. And once the final curl is done, fall. Turn this off because I burnt myself so many times on it. And then, like I said again, I kind of run my hands through it. Looks good. I take my Pantene air spray. I spray it just a little. I don't like too much volume. I don't like too much volume. I like it to be kind of almost straight. Like I didn't even curl my hair. That's just what I like. So, and that is it. That is my go-to hair tutorial. So I just wanted to talk quick about the appliances that I'm using. This is a Conair 1-inch hair curling iron. This is usually my go-to if I am really feeling bigger curls. I use my plugged in. This is a 1.5-inch curling iron. I had the NuMe curling wands and I liked them, but I really like the look of a clamped curling iron, and then you hold it and you like wrap it around yourself. I think that looks really good. So that is it for my hair tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to my blog at CassieDinesco.com. I post blog posts once a week, and I'm hoping to post YouTube videos once a week as well, and they will always be linked down below. And I hope you guys have a great day. It looks so nice out here in New York where I am, so have an awesome day, and I will see you all soon. Bye, friends.